Hi, I'm Katie Bavoso with Channel Insider here at Pax8 Beyond 2024. And now I'm joined by Zac King, Vice President of GreenBean IT. Hey, Zac.
Hey, Katie, how are you?
I'm great. How's it going? How have you been enjoying the event?
It's great. Day one here. It's been fantastic. Lots of discussion around AI, some scary possible things in the future around AI if we're not careful, but also exciting. You know, I think that's one of the great things is you learn about things here that if you position yourself now, you'll be able to take advantage of those ahead of when everybody else is. And so I'm just super excited.
It's good to know the bad things that could happen,
it is.
not just the good opportunities.
Yeah, because that's what my customers are going to ask me is, hey, what are the downfalls? How can we protect ourselves from both the good and the bad of AI?
So how long have you been a Pax8 partner?
We've been a Pax8 partner for about 7 years now.
What makes Pax8 the ideal partner? What about them is something where you go, this is the kind of relationship I want?
Yeah, I think it's key for any vendor relationship to understand what do I need and how can I leverage what this particular partner has. And so with Pax8, asking myself, how can I leverage what they have and not do it all on my own? And I think what's great is it's not just the cloud marketplace, the cybersecurity services, but also leveraging their expertise with thousands of partners worldwide. Because what I found as I've interacted with them is my problems are not unique to me. They're actually existing worldwide. And when I bring my problems to them, I can leverage their success with other partners globally and what they've done to address the same challenges. So I'm not just on my own in everything. And that's where they really love is I can leverage, not just the services that they have, but really the fact that they care about my business and want it to do well and will bring war stories from other MSPs that I can take advantage of and really just not have to struggle as much.
So now that we know how long you've been with them and why exactly Pax8 for your business, why this event? There's a ton of industry events throughout the year. This is the second one that they've ever hosted, the second Beyond. So what brings you to it?
Specifically with Beyond, one of the great things is that you really get a lot of relevant information because a lot of these vendors will tell you that Pax8 is their best partner that they do business with. And so you really are getting a lot of good information, but you're also getting a lot of opportunities to network with other MSPs, and you get to build relationships that you wouldn't have been able to otherwise, even though they may be somewhere halfway across the globe. You really just develop those relationships where you can reach out to someone when you need something who, you met through Pax8, but they become a friend. And so that's really what I love most about this is creating new connections across the globe with just other MSPs that I wouldn't have met otherwise.
So how have you grown since partnering with Pax8 as a business at GreenBean IT?
There's a few key areas that we've grown in. One of them is that we spend less time trying to find the right solution for our customers' problems. We can come to them and say, here's the particular vertical, here's the particular challenge that they're facing. Which vendors do you feel like either fit this solution or this vertical the best? And the other one is one that may not be as well known with Pax8, which is their peer groups. And we get together with other MSPs that are in our group and we meet in person to really be able to hash out almost like a board of directors with each other, what are those problems and challenges that we're facing? And because of that, I can get to the right answer both on the services side and on the business side a whole lot quicker than if I was just trying to, Google something, because you can find an answer online, but really when you're connected with a company like Pax8 who knows your business well and other peer group members who get to know you well, they can help guide you because they've been able to understand your unique challenges and the things that you're facing and help you to understand what that solution might look like. And then you're able to implement it quicker. And so we go from problem to solution faster now that we're with Pax8 than we did before.